Hello and welcome again to another edition of our Big Bike Parts Media channel. We're here today with Showchrome Accessories to discuss a safety-related item for the Can-Am Spyder RTs. This particular item is going to replace your standard red reflector on the back saddlebags on both your left and right hand side. It has 16 LEDs and can be ran as either a running or a running with turn signal function, depending on how you choose to wire it up. Wiring is simple and all instructions are included by simply opening up your door, taking out the inner liner, and running the wire back to your taillights where you can hook into your running and turn signal functions. This item again is going to allow you additional side visibility, adding additional safety while traveling down the road. Having it ran as either a running or a running as well as a turn signal function. If you have any further questions of this item, please feel free to look us up online at www.bigbikeparts.com and check out the dealer locator section while you're there. You can also give us a phone call at 1-888-BIG-BIKE. And make sure to look us up on Facebook to keep up on all the brand new items. Thank you for watching. Safe riding.